Something is a risk, but we have to take it.
Life is hard, but we have to make it. Life is hard, but we gotta make it through the struggles. Pain is rough, but you have to fight through it. Can't fight through most of the struggles. Most of the pain comes out the deep end. And I'm so sorry, cause I want you here right now. Cause all the pain that I did, I can't take right now.
My life is so hard, and I don't know what to do. I don't have my little girl with me. Oh my God, it's not mine, so I can't be happy. It's only little kids here. It makes me feel so sad and overwhelmed. It just makes me cry. The ups and downs go on in my head like a cry. Only with somebody can help me to be happy, so I can be around my future family. But I can't. But I didn't realize I can think about my real family. If I could be with them, I would be happy. But I can go with them. What to do? Can I still sing and dance? I just have to find a way to do with my life, So I just want to find hope so I can be happy. Oh yeah, so I can be happy. So I will find hope to be happy. My little brother, don't you worry, I'm right here with you. We can do this together to be happy.